What's going on, everybody? Ratchet Wrench is back for another video. Today we're going to do a quick painting on some interior parts of the Mustang. So we're going to Lowe's. Stay tuned. You ready?
Yeah. He got the wheel!
Alright guys, we just made it to Lowe's. Now we gotta pick up some paint. What color are you guys thinking?
Blue.
Blue? Alright.
I already know.
I want purple.
You want purple? You...
Purple nurple.
Purple.
Yeah, this is our first time really vlogging in public, so we're gonna
This is like our first time together as a squad in like a
Yeah, it really works.
It's been a minute, yeah. That's very true. But yeah, here we go. We're walking into
that blue or more like
I like that.
shirt?
I like that blue.
Yeah,
WD-40,
or Weldworth.
if you're watching, send us WD-40.
Oh, WD-40.
Well,
we're waiting on their
We're
response.
waiting on their response.
They're never gonna message us, guys. Don't get your hopes up. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know. No, I just found the paint sign, so I figured we're in the right area. What did he just say?
He's got a piss really bad.
Oh, they got nice bathrooms here.
Yeah, they do.
Literally, there's toilet
Yeah,
sections.
you-
I would say go on the toilet,
the
like
display
the
toilet.
display.
Do it
Get
for the
open up a
fans.
magazine.
Do it for the fans.
do it for the vlog, man.
Oh, no.
Oh, here we go.
Gloss patriotic.
Sorry, I was just
blue.
staring at your beautiful tattoo. I couldn't help but look.
Not trying to bust this cat on top.
No, just
That's
do
a cool
quick
color.
yeah. I like that color.
That's the color I think you should get.
That's true blue, number 1.
Yeah, there we go.
Satin Oxford blue for the second one.
Yeah, spray that shit on. Ooh.
That almost looks the same though.
Looks almost, yeah, it's close.
And last but not least, gloss patriotic.
Maybe don't go
blue.
too close. Maybe just back up a little bit. Yeah.
That's the winner.
You think so?
I think that's the winner right there.
So we got.
Do you remember which can that was? Or you have to spray them all
It was the
again.
last one. It was this one, I think.
America.
Kind of day, you know what I mean?
Yo, peep the shirts. Pop them. Link down below.
Docking.
What?
Docking.
I think it'd be a little overkill.
Only
if I did
Watchung
the,
Hills guys remember that.
Got the horses in the front.
What are you doing?
You gotta get some speed though.
Alright, so we're about to do the inner panel here. Got to paint this Johnny up. Yeah, we're gonna go with a nice blue. Think it'll look good. Hopefully. If not, we're gonna repaint it again, so. Comment down below, if you wouldn't paint it blue, what color would you paint it?
Where are my flatheads? Huh? One looks like it's here.
Oh, wow, that was easy.
It's stupid.
That was easy.
Careful,
That
you're
was
breaking
broken
it.
right there. Just go gently.
You broke your own car, my
Go
dude.
from this side, my guy. Yeah,
It should be.
you're right. Yeah, you're fine. Probably not. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
You're out.
Now
Yeah.
Those are already out.
That should come out as one here, watch. These tabs, they push in, and it'll slide through. You have to get the other side at the same time. We'll be back in a moment.
Got the driver's side out.
This one goes through. There you go.
There we go. All right, now we're doing the passenger side real quick. Same deal. I think there was one clip here.
It's actually it's simpler than I thought, really.
Yeah, it's honestly just.
Basic.
Sometimes,
Oh wow, that came right out.
yeah, as we all know,
That
sometimes
tab was
This is the new one.
Yeah.
as you can
that's
see. So.
sometimes trim pieces in cars, as we all know, are not easy to get out. People are gonna think we're breaking into your
That's what I
car.
was saying.
With both garage doors open. And
Yeah. Yo, we should drift that.
Yeah. That's
Don't worry
un,
about it.
dos.
Screw you.
All right. And just like that, folks.
We good.
That was I like that. It's better.
Yep.
Dude, this piece was kind of expensive. I think it was like 40 bucks on eBay.
You had to buy that?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, the
old
other
one
one
broke?
was fucking shot and
Yeah.
it broke. The tabs broke.
Yeah.
You got a free replacement.
Did you put it in yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I took it to a shop.
So we're gonna do 2-stage paint,
2-stage paint.
adhesion.
We're all ready. Step 1.
Get that inside.
I know.
He knows. Got the professional painter.
No, I'm the furthest thing from professional.
That's just what I want to hear. I like it so far.
It's gonna be hard to get that inside.
Can I paint because you don't know what you're doing?
We'll do one coat for now.
Yep.
Is that gonna be seen up top?
Yeah.
Or is that tucked in?
Well,
'Cause I know-
it's slightly tucked in, but I would get it.
Let me get that one side.
There you go. Yeah, I think that would be good.
I got it.
Nothing wrong with that.
Whoa! What did you just spray the air for? I hope it gets on your shirt.
Cleared it.
Look at that technique. Back and forth, back and forth.
All right, that's a base coat.
Base coat.
Base coat, bitch. Good. I'm letting that sit. Yeah.
Gotta love it.
Budweiser, man, just does wonders.
Good.
Dan, get the inside of this one, because I didn't really get it.
Oh, innovative.
Oh, no, it's falling. Just don't get my hand. I don't want to be a Smurf going home.
You want gloves?
Get your face out of it.
Where do you want me to put my face?
Over there.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good. That's good.
All right, so I decided we're gonna do this whole middle plastic piece. So you just got to take the shift knob off first. Take an adjustable wrench and hold that nut down there. It's a long bolt. There we go. That just threads off. Take your flathead.
Yeah, they make it so easy.
It's not too difficult. There we go. Just pops out. There's that short shifter.
Hey, there you go. Putting that tech arms to work.
Alright, I've never taken this piece off. I can't imagine it being too hard.
I've done it in my truck
I don't
for
want
like
this
cows and just
paint. You're paying this thing?
You don't paint that leather.
No, I know I'm not painting the leather.
Trim you want to paint?
The plastic piece.
Yeah, I would.
Take the leather
Alright,
boot
fuck
out.
it. There you go. Look at that.
It's a hard angle. Alright, so we're doing this middle trim piece. Got it out of the car first, and you just take these out, push them straight out of these 3 holes down here, put them aside.
We were also, just to make a note, we were going to do pop the vents out, but then we realized it's way too much work. They're pretty much built in, and it's not worth the time. You'll end up snapping pieces.
Yes.
I did it in my truck. I actually removed the vents because they were broken.
We all know
and
Ford plastic.
They're super, like with cars, these are super hard to remove without breaking stuff. I mean, luckily I did it on mine without a problem, but we don't want to take that chance.
I'm gonna snap something.
Yeah, don't even bother.
Yeah,
just
so
tape over it with masking tape.
Tape it up.
Yeah. If you guys have any helpful tips in the comments, leave them below. I'm sure other people would love to read them and find out. If you have any experience painting trim pieces, let us know. Yeah, that's good.
Right.
Yeah, like that. The most annoying thing with painting is just the prep work is all the hard work, and then the painting part's easy.
Not bad, right?
That's not bad at all. Looks perfect. This is what we call ratchet.
This doesn't come off. This is broken on these sides, these tabs, but these tabs are still intact.
Yep.
So we don't want to fuck it up, so we're just going to do it kind of...
This is ratchet.
Tape it in and then tape.
This is signature us. This was my idea too.
Let's hope it works.
Yeah, it'll work.
Just don't want to get on any
Yeah.
leather at all.
Yeah. If so, you just use the acetone and wipe it off. It'll wipe off with the acetone. So the first coat is going to be light because we really don't want to get paint in these vents because then we'll be smelling that shit for 3 weeks.
Yep.
But also, you gotta be really careful
Around the
we miss
edges.
I mean, that's the best you're gonna get. Really, you're really not gonna get much better than that. So here we go.
Here goes nothing. Look at the flick of the wrist there. It's just the first round there.
Wait, you don't.
Definitely,
This
yeah.
is fine, right? To get painted, okay.
Yeah. He asked while he's painting it.
Yeah. After the first...
Yeah.
Like, oh, there's 2 deer now. Oh, dear Lord.
My finger hurts.
Yeah, for the first pass.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Yep. All right.
That's it.
First pass done.
How are these looking?
Going all in. Can't really tell too much. It's pretty dark.
Yeah, we'll have to bring them to the light after. These ones are done, right?
Yeah, these are
So
done.
then let's
Just let
bring
them
these
dry.
in the garage.
Yeah. I'll carry it with
this
you. I'll carry it with you. I'll carry it.
Oh, just get this one. That really didn't give much light.
Just admire that sunset real quick. All right, we're back into it. Coat 2.
That's good enough.
What's going on, everybody? It is the following day because we ran out of daylight and these kids had to get home. But
We had curfews.
yeah, curfews for sure. But finished product here.
Oh,
Had almost
really
24
good.
hours to cure.
Got a little bit on there, but that's okay.
We wipe it off.
That's not bad actually for that.
It's not bad
medicine
at
tape
all.
job.
For a ratchet ass tape job.
And
Yeah,
then
that's
show
fire.
them our
This
what
was
we
the
do.
paper towel
the paper
job.
towel.
Paper towel job.
It
basically
barely
nothing.
got on the leather,
Yeah, it's
except for
perfect.
right there,
Mine's,
but we can
Tiny
get that
bit.
off.
Yeah, I'd say overall good work.
Yep.
So
Got
now
it
it's time to
Put them on.
put them in there. Alright guys, I'll show you a quick look of the blue accents on the plastic. I think it came out pretty good for what we did real quick, but you could always repaint it. There's a couple little scuff marks down there. Overall, just
Listen, it's a ratchet paint job. That's
Yeah.
what you're gonna get, okay? We're not professional body men over here. We're just making it work. We're just trying to spice it up, okay?
yeah, it gives a nice little pop. I'm gonna do the calipers that same color probably. So stay
I think
tuned
you
for
should
that.
make them like bright lime green,
Mm,
like on SDIs.
I don't know about that.
No, don't do that.
But yeah. Also the spoiler, I want to put that back on. I just got to go get a couple nuts at the hardware store for underneath in the trunk, and I'm gonna leave that back on. Yeah, I know it's dirty, dude. It's been out for a year.
A year. It's been more than that, right?
Probably. So until next time, Ratchet Wrenches is out.